Eyewitness Weather Forecast.
We started the day warm and a little rainy, and then we ended it cold and snowy. You can see in Utica today, it took a long time for that rain to change over to snow, and even longer for it to start sticking to the ground this afternoon as well. We had about a dusting on the ground in Utica at the moment. We have 1.2 inches reported in Westmoreland. Here's a live look at the arterial right now in Utica. You can see visibility is down a bit, and we've got some snow on the camera. Roads are slick out there and are only going to get worse as we head through the night and into the day tomorrow. Now we are seeing the snow start to pick up now. You can see we're getting into these darker and darker blues that are moving up into the Adirondacks now, picking up just south of Utica. It's a little bit lighter in the North Country, but the snow is going to continue here all night long. You can see that the storm stretches all the way back down to Texas. The storm as a whole is very slowly inching toward the east. That's why it took so long for the cold air to arrive today. So we're going to see this snow moving through here, one wave of energy after the next, through the night tonight into the day tomorrow. We will still be dealing with snow during the day tomorrow, but it'll start to wind down on the backside and become more scattered. So forecast is still on track for most places to end up with 8 to 12 inches of snow. We will see some localized areas of 12 to 18 inches of snow. Places like Paris, where there's already 3 inches on the ground, could see over a foot. Most places, though, will come in at 9 to 12 inches. 6 to 9 inches for about Cooperstown South, still dealing with sleet in that area, and so we'll have snow and sleet accumulation of about 6 to 9. This is by Friday afternoon, so all night tonight, you won't wake up to this in the morning. It'll still be accumulating tomorrow, and we'll see temperatures pretty mild right now, 26 for a snowstorm. Not too windy either. It's blowing at 9 miles an hour, so it's not creating any additional blowing snow, which is good. We'll be down to the teens tonight, and we top out in the teens and 20s tomorrow, feeling a lot different than we were today, especially in the morning. Now you see, as we roll the futurecast forward tonight, snow just keeps going all night long. Sleet hanging on as well, especially down in the Oneida area. It looks like you can see those darker blues here later tonight. It's coming down an inch per hour, maybe even 2 inches per hour at times tonight, and that continues at daybreak tomorrow morning. Still dealing with that snow, but watch as we roll the futurecast forward through the morning tomorrow. It starts to wind down. It becomes more scattered. The snow will be lighter and more off and on later in the afternoon tomorrow, but we could still see some light accumulations there before things wind down for tomorrow night. We're cloudy, maybe a light flurry, but we'll be nice and quiet heading into Saturday. We'll have a small chance for some flurries during the first half of the day Saturday, but then sunshine. Will be cold but nice and quiet for us this weekend. So tonight the snow will be heavy at times, continues all night long. We get down into the teens, only topping out in the low 20s tomorrow in the afternoon, with the snow becoming more scattered later in the afternoon for us. We're down to just 2 degrees tomorrow night for a cold day on Saturday, and we're well below zero Saturday night. Get ready for a cold start Sunday, but we're pretty seasonable from Sunday onward, highs in the 20s and 30s, and other than a small chance of flurries Monday, looks like a pretty quiet week next week. Jamie?
Thanks, Colleen. Here's a look at
now your Eyewitness Weather Forecast.
Good evening, meteorologist Anna Masalsi here with your check-in on the weather. We're looking at a live shot of downtown Utica. You could already see on the arterial there's a lot of snow on the roads, and the plows are already going. They're trying to treat these roads, but it's very hard to keep up, especially when the snowfall rates are close to 2 inches per hour. You could even see a lot of snow is already sticking on the iNet camera, and for current conditions, we're sitting at 22 degrees. We have those calm winds as well. You could see here this winter storm isn't just affecting central New York, all the way down into Texas. We have some winter storm warnings as well as ice storm warnings extending all the way into Maine. And here in central New York, a winter storm warning across the board for Oneida, Herkimer, as well as Otsego County. We could expect to see several inches of snow as well as very difficult travel conditions. So if you have anything that you got to do, like getting the groceries, save it for another day. And in terms of snowfall, how much can we expect from now into Friday afternoon? Well, still for Herkimer as well as Oneida County, 9 to 12 inches. Some areas could see over a foot. And then in Otsego County, we're going to be seeing a little bit less, some snow mixed in with sleet because we have that wintry mix still in the area, so around 6 to 9 inches there. For our low temperatures tonight, we're going to be in the teens and the 20s, 12 there in Old Forge, 15 in Utica, and 24 in Ilion. For tomorrow, those temperatures not really budging much, still staying in the teens and the 20s, 17 there in Old Forge, 21 in Utica, 26 in Ilion, 24 in Cooperstown, and 23 in Oneida. And moving that futurecast forward tonight, we'll continue to see those heavy snow showers here in central New York, and that little bit of purple that you saw down south in Otsego County, it's going to move a little bit further south by Friday morning, so mainly snow showers. Then by the afternoon hours, we could start to see it break up a little bit on the futurecast, and then by the evening hours, we will clear up. We'll still have those clouds sticking around, and that'll continue throughout the night into Saturday morning. Could even see a light flurry or two, though by the afternoon hours, clearing conditions, mainly sunny skies throughout the day there. Now to recap for tonight, we'll have that snow heavy at times, winds out of the north 5 to 10 miles per hour, as well as a low temperature of 15 degrees. And for tomorrow, snow showers, though they do wind down by the afternoon hours. Winds out of the northwest 5 to 10 miles per hour and a high temperature only in the lower 20s. Now for your 7-day forecast, like I said before, snow winding down for tomorrow. We will have a couple of flurries possible Saturday morning, as well as very chilly there for Saturday night. Temperatures dropping below zero again. We only get into the upper 20s for Sunday, mostly sunny there. Then cloudy on Monday with a couple of light flurries as well. Temperatures pretty much staying in the 30s as we head throughout the rest of next week. We'll have our sports director David Edelstein give you a sports update coming next.
Eyewitness Weather Forecast.
Meteorologist Dana Maslowski here with your checking on the weather. We're looking at a live shot of downtown Utica, or at least whatever you can make out because of all of that snow that's falling. Very, very intense. We have some pockets where the snowfall rates are about 2 inches per hour. You could already see on the arterial a thick blanket of snow, so it's very dangerous driving out there. And taking a look at radar, we could already see that here, those very dark blue colors that you could see around Utica. That's the snowfall rate of 2 inches per hour. And you could even see a little further down south in your Otsego County, those purple colors, that's the wintry mix where we even saw a little bit of freezing rain, which is creating some hazardous conditions as well, with an icy glaze across most surfaces. Now for current conditions, we're sitting at 22 degrees and we have those calm winds as well. This storm is affecting areas across the United States. You could even see here in Texas, winter weather advisories and winter storm warnings, ice storm warnings extending all the way into Maine. And here in central New York, we have that winter storm warning across the board for Oneida County, Herkimer County, as well as Otsego County. You could expect several inches of snow throughout tonight with those very difficult travel conditions. So if you do have anything like going to the grocery store, save it for another day and not for tonight or for tomorrow morning. And how much snow can we expect? Well, around 9 to 12 inches in Herkimer County as well as Oneida County, though further down south of the Mohawk Valley, areas like Otsego County, we do have that wintry mix, so some snow mixed in with sleet, which means we're going to be seeing less snowfall amounts, 6 to 9 inches there. Now for our low temperatures tonight, we're going to be in the teens and the 20s, 11 there in Old Forge, 15 in Utica, and 24 in Ilion. For our high temperatures tomorrow, not really budging much, still in the teens and the 20s, 17 there in Old Forge, 21 in Utica, 26 in Ilion, 24 in Cooperstown, and 26 in Oneida. Now moving that futurecast forward tonight and timing this winter storm, we'll continue to see that heavy snowfall and a little bit of a wintry mix south of the Mohawk Valley in areas like Oneida, though more snow in places like Cooperstown. And as we head into tomorrow morning, mainly snow showers, though it starts to lighten up. And you could even see here on the futurecast by the afternoon hours, around 1 p.m., it's starting to break up lighter snowfall. And by Friday evening, around 7 p.m., mainly cloudy skies. And we'll continue to see those cloudy conditions throughout the night into Saturday morning. Could even see a light flurry here or there, though by the afternoon hours, clearing conditions and mostly sunny skies throughout the day. Now to recap for tonight, we'll have that snow heavy at times. Like I said, snowfall rates up to 2 inches per hour, winds out of the north 5 to 10 miles per hour, and a low temperature of 15 degrees. Then for tomorrow, we'll see those snow showers slowly winding down throughout the day, winds out of the northwest 5 to 10 miles per hour, and a high temperature only in the lower 20s. For your 7-day forecast, like I said before, snow winding down on Friday, could see a light flurry Saturday morning, and then very chilly Saturday night. Temperatures getting below zero again. Then as we head into the start of next week, starting off with a chance to see a couple of light flurries, cloudy skies, as well as temperatures only getting into the mid-30s as we head throughout the rest of the week. We'll have more eyewitness news coming up after the break.